What if I told you there's one fruit, yes, just one, that scientists say could help stop tumors from growing? This isn't a rare or expensive fruit. In fact, you've probably seen it at your local grocery store. In today's video, we'll reveal how this one powerful fruit works against cancer cells, how much you should eat, and what the latest research says. Stick around because by the end, you'll understand why this fruit is being called a natural tumor fighter. The fruit we're talking about is pomegranate. Known for its deep red color and sweet tart flavor, pomegranate isn't just tasty, it's loaded with nutrients that help protect your body. But here's what makes it truly special. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants, polyphenols, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that may actually help stop the growth of tumors. How pomegranate fights tumor growth? Let's break it down. When cancer starts, your cells grow out of control. But certain natural compounds in pomegranate, like ellagic acid and punicalagin, have been shown to slow down or even block the growth of cancer cells in lab studies. These compounds can stop tumor cells from multiplying and even trigger apoptosis, which is a fancy word for cell death. That means pomegranate may help your body get rid of harmful cells before they form into something serious. Some studies have even found that it may reduce the risk of prostate, breast, and colon cancer by attacking cancer cells while leaving healthy cells alone. And here's the surprising part. Many people walk right past this fruit not knowing its power. But if you eat it regularly, it could be one of the simplest steps you take to protect your health. Up next, how much pomegranate to eat and who should be careful with it. How to use pomegranate in your diet. So how can you get the benefits of pomegranate? You can eat the seeds directly, add them to your salad, yogurt or smoothie, or drink 100% pomegranate juice. Doctors suggest having about 1/2 to 1 cup of seeds a day or 1 small glass of juice. But make sure the juice is natural with no added sugars. Sugar can feed inflammation, which is the opposite of what we want. And bonus, pomegranate isn't just good for fighting tumors. It's also great for your heart, skin, and immune system. Who should be cautious? Now, while pomegranate is safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're on medications, especially blood thinners or blood pressure drugs, check with your doctor. Pomegranate can interact with some medications, just like grapefruit. Also, avoid juice with added sugar, as it cancels out the health benefits. What research says? So what does science actually say? Studies from universities like UCLA and research published in medical journals show that pomegranate extracts can slow the spread of cancer cells in lab and animal tests. For example, a study on prostate cancer found that drinking pomegranate juice slowed tumor growth and extended survival time in mice. More human studies are needed, but the results so far are promising and show that food really can be powerful medicine. That's why many doctors now include pomegranate as part of an anti-cancer diet. One fruit, so many benefits. If you're looking for a natural way to support your body and help prevent cancer, pomegranate is a smart and tasty choice. Start small, sprinkle it on your breakfast or sip a glass of pure juice. Want more powerful health tips? Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out. And let us know in the comments, have you tried pomegranate before or will you now?